Most people think getting a Brigit cash advance is automatic. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Brigit does not approve everyone, and the requirements are based on your financial behavior, not just your need for money. In this video, you'll learn exactly what Brigit looks for in 2026, how the qualification system works, and how to know if you are likely to get approved. Let's start with the basics. Brigit is a financial app that offers small cash advances to help users avoid overdrafts and manage short-term expenses. But before you can access that feature, Brigit evaluates your bank account activity and financial stability. For example, Alex tried signing up and expected an instant cash advance. But the app first analyzed his income patterns and spending behavior before offering anything. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first major requirement is a linked bank account with regular income deposits. Brigit needs to see consistent income activity, usually from a job or verified income source. Irregular deposits, or cash-only income, can make approval harder. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They assume a single paycheck is enough. It is not. Brigit looks for patterns over time, not one-time activity. Now let's talk about the second requirement. Your bank account balance behavior matters a lot. If your account frequently goes negative or shows unstable activity, Brigit may consider you higher risk and reduce your chances of approval. Jake had this issue. His income was fine, but frequent overdrafts made him ineligible at first. Once his balance stabilized, his eligibility improved. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Another requirement is account age. Brigit typically prefers bank accounts that have been open and active for a reasonable period. New accounts with little history may not qualify right away. In a minute, I'll explain a simple way to improve your eligibility over time. Let's move to spending behavior. Brigit also evaluates how you spend money. High-risk or unpredictable spending patterns can affect your approval chances. The app prefers users with stable and predictable financial activity. But here's something important. Brigit is not just checking your income. It is building a financial profile. That means your entire banking behavior matters, not just one factor. So how do you improve your chances? First, maintain consistent income deposits. Second, avoid frequent overdrafts. Third, keep your account active over time. And fourth, avoid erratic spending patterns when possible. Now here's the simple strategy most users miss. Even if you do not qualify immediately, using the app consistently and maintaining stable finances over a few weeks or months can improve your chances automatically. Brigit updates eligibility based on ongoing data. So let's break it down clearly. To qualify for Brigit cash advances in 2026, you need steady income, a stable bank account, positive balance behavior, and consistent financial history. The stronger your financial stability, the better your chances. The key takeaway is simple. Brigit does not approve based on urgency. It approves based on stability and patterns. If this guide helped you understand how it works, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.